Welcome to Varam Nutra. The yummy recipe that we are going to see today is chapati noodles. So take 3 chapatis for this, even it can be leftover chapatis. Roll them tightly and cut them into thin strips. To make the dish healthier, I have soaked kabuli chana 150 gram for 8 hours and boiled them. That is optional. If you want to do it instantly, you can avoid kabuli chana. I want to make it more healthier, so I have just added it. So chop 2 big onions and 2 tomatoes and ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. So pour oil in a kadai, add chopped onions, saute them for few minutes. So once you saute them for approximately around 5 to 7 minutes, then you can add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon into it. Then keep sauteing. Once ginger garlic paste and onions are sauteed for few minutes, we will add tomatoes into it. I have taken 2 tomatoes finely chopped, so I'm adding 2 tomatoes into it. So ensure that the tomatoes become soft. You can add a tablespoon of water into it and close it with a lid and allow it to cook for approximately 7 minutes. So after 7 to 10 minutes, you can see the tomatoes well cooked. So this is the time where you add in the vegetables. So I have taken carrots, diced 2 tablespoons, then beans 2 tablespoons, cut into small pieces, capsicum 2 tablespoons, and finely cut cabbage 2 tablespoons. So put everything into it and mix it well and allow it to cook for few minutes. We are adding some vegetables also into it, so it's quite a healthy dish. It's a very ideal dish for lunchbox also. Morning you can make it very easily, at the same time healthier and tasty too. It's a perfect lunchbox dish also. My kids love it during their school days, and they'll pack an extra box for their friends too when I make this particular dish. Once you add the boiled chana, add green chilies also into it. Slightly adjust the green chili quantity according to your need. We'll be adding red chili powder 1 teaspoon, mm, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon garam masala powder. So chili powder is also there. So vary the green chilies according to your need. Or red chili powder, you can put half a teaspoon if you want less spiciness. Allow these powders to coat on the vegetables and channa very nicely. You need to give it a good stir. As a variation, instead of channa, you can add in egg also. You can scramble the eggs and add it at the end along with the chapatis. You add required salt and little channa boiled water into it. Allow it to cook for a few minutes. Once it comes to boil, I have added a few sauces into it. Soya sauce 1 teaspoon, chili sauce 1 teaspoon, Szechuan chutney 1 teaspoon. That's optional. If you don't want to add any sauces, you don't have to add sauces. My kids love this way, so I add little sauces into it. It's optional and you can decide whether you want it or not. It doesn't make much of a difference in the taste, so it's up to you. Add in the sauces, give a good mix, then add in the chapatis. Add in the chapatis little by little into it. Add little, give a good mix, and then add the rest, give a good mix. So that way you will ensure that all the chapatis are coated with this gravy very well. If you want to add in scrambled eggs, add it at this stage. Before garnishing it, you need to add the eggs, give a good mix, and then garnish it with coriander leaves. Your yummy chapati noodles is ready. You can make onion raita. Raita and chapati noodles are very good to go with each other. So onion raita will be perfect side dish for this chapati noodles. Easy chapati noodles is ready in just few minutes. If you like this recipe, like, subscribe and follow Varam Neutral. Thanks for watching.